Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you doing? You okay? Anyways, let's get into today's video quickly. I'm not here to mess around or play, honey. We're unboxing another Barbie today. We're unboxing, thumbnail, the Bob Mackie Queen of Hearts. Now, she did come with her original what do you call this, mailer packer thing, which is fab. So it's nice. This is the first sort of Bob Mackie that I've ever had that actually comes with all of the stuff. Normally my Bob, I've either bought it comes without the box, or comes without this, or without that, or without the drawings and stuff. So this is the first sort of, I suppose you could say, complete Bob Mackie I've bought. I did buy that Bob Mackie that was in that packaging that I unboxed a few videos ago. I'll link it above. But that's not as bougie as this one. This one is like bougie Barbie. So, I'm so excited. I've only looked at this online. There is a picture of her on the back of how she looks. Try and get her without the glaze. This is her. The box is ripped there, but I mean, God, we can't have everything. I got her for such a bargain price. I'm convinced it was 40. If it wasn't, I'm gonna write somewhere else where the actual price of it. But I got her for £40, which is so cheap. She was originally up for like crazy money. She was up for 70 or £80. Then the seller dropped it again and dropped it again and dropped it again. And then they were like final reduction. And I thought, you know what? I've been looking at it for ages. I want it. She's a good price. She's a bargain. I'm gonna go for her. And as well, I'm very much on the journey now of when I first got into collecting Barbies, I just collect Barbies. And now I'm kind of curating my collection, picking really what I want to pick. Bob Mackie is definitely one of the main things I want to collect in my collection. So I'd say Bob Mackie Barbies. I've done all my Anastasia dolls, like I've customed them. I didn't really film a lot of it, but I may put some like little short videos up of me doing them. I'm not really sure. I'll see how that's going to work. But yeah, and then I'm collecting all the Disney Mattel dolls from like 90s, early 2000s. And when I get them, I'm giving them makeovers and making them more movie accurate. So I'm kind of heading down there, and like a few glam Barbies, if you know what I'm saying. Like I got both the Wedgwood Barbies, which I'll do a video about soon. But with all that said, let's just get into. I haven't opened it. Oh, look, it's quite a fancy box. Ooh. Now I haven't opened this at all yet, so I haven't even seen her. So this reveal is going to be the first time for me and for you. Oh my God! Look at her. Oh, she's fabulous. Okay. Hey. Look at this bitch. Wow. Oh my God. That is look at the level of detail. Wow. I mean, amazing. I'm actually shook. She did come with as well in here. Oh, that's cool. Look how big that is. I have a few of his other drawings. I thought there were more drawings. This is like, which I'm not mad at actually, but this in a frame that's going in a frame. Wow. Let's pop her back in there. There we are. Thank you. Nothing else in the box. Oh! She also comes with this. Which tells you all about her. And then on the back, it's got other dolls, I'm guessing in this collection maybe. What does that say? Yeah, it's got first edition, second edition, third edition, fourth edition, fifth, sixth, seventh. So Queen of Hearts is the seventh edition that, or the seventh doll that Bob Mackie released. That's very cool. And then you've got a bit about Bob. That's him right there. Hey girl. But look how cute it is. It looks like little playing cards. Queen of Hearts. I think... Oh, okay. So I can lift her. Oh, she's attached at the sides here, so... It's just at the sides here with a bit of thread. Oh, and she's attached at the back. Ooh. Look at this cape, honey. Here we go. Amazing. Just going to untie her wrists. Set her free. Set her free. Releasing her soul from the box. You've been trapped. You smell a bit musty, actually. You've been trapped in that box for a while. It's almost like handcuffs, isn't it? You're like releasing her from her handcuffs. How is that? Okay. And now we need to remove her strings here. This does have an official name. I don't know what it's called, like the string bits. There we go. Which means I can then release her waist. My God, the amount of detail on this is insane. Just look at just on her cape. The amount of detail. I'm actually shook. Now, for her stand, so let's try and release her legs. She's actually already on her stand. I can already see that she's, if you see there, and if I look, you can see she's already on her stand, just there. So I think if we cut this tape, just here. We should be able to I don't want to take it. Oh, there we go. She doesn't come with shoes. Why doesn't she come with shoes? Oh, she does come with shoes. I was thinking it's very odd she wouldn't come with shoes. So just let me remove this from her. I hope I'm really showing you what I'm doing. Lie down there. Comes with her traditional Barbie stand. Like this. Barbie! So we'll just click her on. Her glamorous cape. She's the Queen of Hearts. And I'm just going to remove this from her waist area. Got to be very careful not to actually touch her dress. And now okay, let me start with this. Look at her hair. Look at her hair. My gosh. I'm going to take everything off and then we can look at her in great detail. So let me have a look. Okay, gorgeous, stunning. Wow. Wow. I'm actually like, wow. The detail is on another. This is the most detailed Bob Mackie I think I have. Although the Moon Goddess is very detailed as well. Right, so let's start with her face. So she's got this really ornate headdress. Look at all the sequin details. And then she has crystal heart earrings just here. And her little kind of heart cape thing that covers her hair. Stunning. And just look at the detail on her bodice. She does have a ring just here. I love this little beauty mark she has on her chin. And then the dress is fully sequined all the way down. Let's just have a moment for this cape, shall we? Right. Hello, the detail. It is very reminiscent of Bob Mackie released a fashion collection, or a capsule collection, I should say, maybe, of actual ready-to-wear clothing for anyone. And it was called Wearable Art by Bob Mackie. And I really do see a lot of inspiration on his dolls, whether that inspired his collection or the collection inspired the dolls in terms of their outfits. I'm not quite sure, but I mean, come on. This is crazy. Wow. Now she does come with shoes. I'm going to pop you. She does come with a pair of red pumps, of course, as you would expect. If I can open them. Yeah, little pair of red heels. Like this, which are cute. So I will pop these on her. So that's what she looks like with her heels on. It just adds a little bit. I kind of like that the dress is just a little bit shorter so you can actually see her heels. Just sit there for me. Right, let's have a look at this. Shall I see if there's anything on here? You ready? I'm going to read all of this to you, so let's see if you're interested. Sound the trumpets, roll out the red carpet and prepare to be awed. Queen of Hearts Barbie is here. As you wait amid the splendour of the palace, your heart beats faster with excitement. She walks gracefully towards you, her bearing distinct royal. The queen is luminous, aglow in the misty light of 1,000 candles. Suddenly she is standing before you, and you curtsy deeply to honour her. She has captured your heart too. The queen's royal attire leaves you speechless with wonder. Reflections of candlelight flicker from hundreds of hand-sewn sequins on her form-fitting gown. An embroidered heart forms the bodice, with pink, red and silver sequins and beads inside. Tiny rocaille beads sparkle within, echoing radiance of the queen herself. Elegance and drama unite in the queen's majestic cape. The turned-up collar forms a huge heart embroidered with satin thread that outlines the collar as embroidered hearts form a beautiful inner border punctuated. In the cape collar, a board of embroidered forms yet another heart of red sequins, framed inside by more bugle beads. The varied shades of red against the velvet scarlet fabric adds the lovely subtleties, I can't speak, adds a hue of the design on the collar, which continues down the cape. No queen ever looked more breathtaking. Her Majesty's beauty transcends the fabulous clothes she wears. Her fashion wizard, Bob Mackie, has created a coiffure that sweeps her sleek black tresses into a heart, with a headpiece that matches the bodice decoration. Flamboyant red feathers are a glamorous embellishment to the Queen's crown. Delicate heart earrings dangle daintily near her stunning face. The Queen's black hair provides a dramatic contrast with her porcelain-looking skin. Hypnotic violet eyes give her a mysterious quality, while her red lips form a hint of a smile behind the royal hauteur Then there's the alluring beauty mark. Bob Mackie has worked his unusual magic in creating this paragon of royalty. All hail the Queen of Hearts. I'm going to read you the other side as well, actually, now. So I'll just read you this. Why not? So, the Wizard of AHS. Bob Mackie has been designing costumes for film, Broadway, and television for more than 20 years. His scene-stealing fashions from four stars like Carol Burnett, Cher, Brooke Shields, Diana Ross, and others are legendary, winning him 5 Emmy Awards and 3 Oscar nominations. And the last few years, he's added another area of expertise designing for dolls. Not just any dolls, but the definitive fashion doll, Barbie. Designing came naturally to Mackie. From the age of 5, he entertained himself by drawing his mother and sister in elaborate costumes. Later, he used cardboard and a flashlight to create illuminated stage sets, and in high school, he worked on school plays. After high school, he majored in advertising art and illustration at Pasadena City College. While there, he won a scholarship to the Chouinard Art Institution, where he earned a degree in costume design. After graduation, Mackie began working with top film costume designers Jean-Louis and Edith Head. And in the 1960s, he was hired by Ray Aragon, head designer for the Judy Garland show on CBS. From then on, Mackie created costumes for a wide range of television shows and specials. The Bob Mackie look. In 1982, Bob Mackie established a ready-to-wear company called Bob Mackie Originals, and the Mackie magic was translated into glamorous clothes for trendsetters across America. Recently, Mackie has returned to the stage both on Broadway and in Los Angeles, designing exciting costumes for a variety of different shows. He's a multimedia, multifaceted designer with a mission, hearing every woman say, "I look sensational." The Glamour Gallery. From the first gorgeous golden Barbie in 1990 to the 7th edition Queen of Hearts, Bob Mackie has created the most glamorous doll collection conceivable. Bob Mackie and Barbie are breathtaking glamour and style, taking glamour and style to new levels of innovation and imagination together. Each doll comes with a reproduction of its original signed fashion illustration by Bob Mackie himself, like the one pictured here, which is this one here, which we already saw the big one. Now I'm just going to show you this really close so you can get a bit more detail. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And the 7th one is the one that we unboxed today. So a few of these are on my wish list, so they'll be coming. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with the Queen and also the other Queen. And I will see you all very soon. Take care, guys. Mwah!